Hello guys and welcome to Dede's Home Interior. My name is Dede. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do home decor inspiration and ideas and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create homes that look a lot more expensive than they actually are. For today's video, I am taking you guys on a tour of this Coventry model home in Houston, Texas. It is a beautiful model home with a lot of upgrades, and it is a 2,800 square foot house. It is decorated in a modern style, a lot of organic pieces with a touch of glam. So much inspiration in this house. I was blown away by the house proper. I was literally not wanting to go, but guys, we had to go. And because I got so much inspiration, I really wanted to show you guys what it looked like from my point of view. A lot of the spaces were very well designed and decorated, and so I got a lot of inspiration from this home. I cannot wait for you guys to see the home in its entirety. My favorite space in this house was definitely the master bedroom and the bathroom. That space blew my mind away. Oh my God, I cannot wait for you guys to get to that space. But in the meantime, listen, I was inspired by a lot of these rooms. I had this other room in the house which was my greatest inspiration. It was decorated in blue, and also the game room. It's a lot of spaces in this house that I was so inspired by. I love the design in the dining room. I cannot wait for you guys to just walk along with me, come along with me and see this video and get a lot of the inspiration that I got. Please sit back, relax, and I hope you get inspired just like I did. Please let me know which of these spaces is your favorite. I would love to know your thoughts and why you love that space the most.
What's the I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 oh. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name. Oh.
again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day. It is waiting for us. There's a new day waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end.
wanna wait in line. I've been here 1,000 times. It's all a big hustle and a serious crime. You're coming out to me and hope I come quietly. Already